Why is it doing like this? Better stay. So we're going to the mechanic shop, guys. Let me not really lie, I've not had AC for the past 1 month. I'm going to the mechanic shop to fix it first, then I'll wash my car because my car is extremely dirty. So after doing the AC things and all, I'll not take it to the car wash. There's a car wash there. I think they will give my car a thorough wash because my car needs it. Like, hey, oh boy, I can't believe this is my car. I know that. Yes. Why are you not doing like you want to cry? Don't write, leave it. Just keep your book here, but when I come back, we'll do it together. Okay. Let me go. So guys, I'm here.
Sky is low. Sky is low.
I need to pack my hair away. I want to even wash my car. When we finish, we'll wash the car. It's very dirty. I know.
Anyway, we'll wash it very well. Guys, to God,
it's very dirty.
You blow.
Like thorough washing.
Now then we'll touch all this movement.
Guys, the plenty things they're doing in this my car. Now wow, I want to change this light. I want to change the lights. These two lights. I want to work on the bumper because you can see how it is. I want to see if we can do it today, everything today, and then we now have to wash it, like do general wash because everywhere is dirty. So you guys can see. I want to try and see if we can fix this thing here. And you can see it's so dusty because I haven't been using it, so we need to do like thorough washing in this car. Guys, they brought the new one. This is the one they want to change. So this is my old one. This is the one that was in my car, and this is the new one, and this is the new compressor, and that is the old compressor. Hello.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt.
I just hope we can finish this because Obi is saying that we'll go to his site from here. It's not too far from here. Just go and see what they are doing inside. They will come back while they are doing this because, like me, I don't want to leave this work and go because the mechanics sometimes you can leave your work and go and do another person's work. And guys, I feel faint. The way my body they do me, my body they scratch me. You not leave my work and do somebody's work. Oh boy. I feel buzz bottle. Even I don't go buzz bottle, but you know it's annoying.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay.
Guys, so this is a new this is one of hobbies. Hi Yusuf, well done, thank you. So this is one of hobbies buildings he's doing recently in this estate at Guzape.
Don't they wash my car? They enter my car. They're hungry.
They're washing your car already? Guys, so hobby got pepper soup for us. He said this costs 600, then we take away plates 700. So and he also got, let me know if I'm the only one whenever I'm eating pepper soup that's not like naturally, except the water of the pepper soup is really nice, I don't drink it, or except I'm eating it with like, except I'm eating it with rice, then I'll drink the water. That's the water of the pepper soup. If not, I'll just eat maybe the meat or the fish. I think you should cut now.
And I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be.
I think
it is. Mama, why is it always showing those numbers?
increase the brightness or the darkness somehow. Oh, coming back from the market, we have to buy food. Let me know what we are going to buy. Hi guys, good morning.
Hi. What? I didn't like you were even like wanting me to talk. I thought it was just you that was talking. And I know, so when I looked at you, and I saw you expecting me to say something.
Yeah. So today is Saturday morning. This is almost after 11.
You said Saturday?
Why?
No, special spaghetti with tomato sauce.
This market I'm going to, it's not like a home market. It's like a kind of cheaper market than normal, right? It's not so cheap.
Cost a lot of money.
Yes, that's what it means. It's also cheap, but it's just cheaper than normal. So I'm making two soups today. I'm making a goosey soup and bitter leaf soup, hopefully. Good afternoon. So we're going on our way to pick up an item from, I bought something from the UK and it has been delivered, so I'm going to pick it up. They were supposed to bring it for me to my house, but when I called them this morning they weren't picking, so I have to go there. Actually a knife sharpener. Let me not even be dramatic. It's a knife sharpener. This is what it looks like. How am I supposed to use this? I don't really know how this is supposed to work, but maybe when I get home I'm going to, you know, guys, I'm going to go and pop my, I don't know what made me do it, but maybe when I get home I'm going to try it out. But this is what I got this for I think 4,000 or 4,500.
What?
Not this small, just do like stone. Isn't it?
That boy comes with one stack.
Yeah, it's like stone. Don't even look
It's
enticing.
nice. What's gone? I'm not eating inside. I'm hungry now. My friend's house somewhere around there.
There's Gina. Mommy.
Is this how you're going to sharpen your knife?
That's what I went to take them. They know Daddy,
Scissors.
as usual,
Daddy, as usual, what?
decided that he wanted to go to his site.
Mom, can I?
Would have come back since that time I called you. Would have even been at home.
Instead of you calling you, because you would have been back. But not because that wanted to go to his side. Come back by this time. One side.
Oh, why didn't they go with
Two
me?
sides.
I like building sites.
I like watching Mom buy stuff.
Well, building sites is my favorite.
I told my. Well, I say hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
Mom.
Ola has poo.
Done.
There's no two ways about it. She has poo. Ola, you poo poo.
Done. There's no two ways about it.
Ola, poo poo.
I want to take the spotlight.
I'll take the spotlight.
Ola is on the phone.
We.
Hello. Ola, hello. How you doing?
Yes.
I'm about to make moi moi for the family. So you guys, I'm tired, but I need to do this. Let me just show you guys quickly what I'm using to make this moi moi today. Okay, so I have my smoked Titus fish here. This is my knife sharpener. I'm super excited. So this is my leaf. So why I cut my leaf like this is because I put them in my moi moi bowls. I don't know how to do the leaf thing, but I like the leaf taste, so I always put them in my moi moi bowl. Then this is my oil from frying chicken on Sunday. This is the chicken stock. This is tatache and yellow pepper and onions. And here we have crayfish zoom. And here we have the beans for moi moi, my blender, and that's basically it. So I'm going to just do sharp, okay? So guys, I tried attempting this and I finally did it, but my camera fell, so I was scared of filming it. So this is it. I'm going to put this in the pot. Space. It's opening. Close it. Okay guys, so I'm making zobo. This is zobo, and I put what do you call it, ginger. Zobo and ginger is boiling right now. So here is pineapple. I want to blend the pineapple and then I will see juicer, guys. But the issue is that the juicer is far, and right now it's not the time to start overdoing sabi. And I also have these cloves. I think that's what it's called. I got this for 15 naira. I'm going to add it towards the end. So some people add different things. The peel of my pineapple, turn it off. The peel of my pineapple is actually why I'm not using it, because it's actually spoiling. I bought this one. I had this one since Saturday when I went to the market with Jina, remember? So I can't use it, for it just spoil my whole zobo. That's why I didn't put it. Some people put lemon, some people put cucumber, some people put watermelon, whatever fruit you like, you put. Yeah.
What's my certificate?
Your certificate. What's certificate?
My certificate.
For what?
No, for best general and what's the other thing?
So what are you asking us now and here? Are you not a sabo now? Ola looks cute. That's Ola. Saying, guys. Guys, I still have pap to make. Like, we're making pap again this night or more. Zobo is ready. It's cooling down. I'm just blending my pineapple and I'm going to sieve it and add to the zobo. The zobo that I made. So I have this 2 5-liter jerry can and this one. I'm just going to clean them up, close them, and then put them in the freezer. Just watch this one.
What's your steak?
Guys, so this is the chaff that came out from the pap. Okay, so over here your babies are doing their homework and Jina is upset because she made a mistake.
My head is spinning.
Yeah, and her head is spinning her now because she said she wrote fu and she was supposed to write fi, right?
Yeah.
And then she had to erase it and now her head is spinning her. Sorry love. Sorry. And Ife over here, Ife is writing. I always tell Ife to write in a piece of paper before he transfers to his book, so we're sure of what he's writing, right?
So I'm gonna write again in my Bible.
Yes. But you're writing a lot of things. Why? Hooray! The handwriting is becoming so fine. See how beautiful it is now. Can you guys see your baby girl's handwriting? She's learning how to have a good handwriting because handwriting used to be really nice, but she's doing well now. Right, Jina? You're sure? You're not going to go back to bad handwriting? I will show them every time you write bad handwriting. I will show them your bad handwriting.
Wait a minute. Don't show them the next page of this. Mom, my handwriting. Can you show them my handwriting?
So that's Ife's handwriting.
Well, with this pen, with the new pencil that her teacher gave us, my handwriting is not really well.
Really? Oh yeah, right. Oh, Sabo, right.
Spooky. Huh? Did I write? Oh.
The way they are playing and taking writing, coming and because I don't know the aim. As if somebody is just there, just say, as in just want to be wicked. Oh, please, if you work in A, let me know why you would do it. Why will be turning off and turning on like almost immediately? So what was the aim of taking it in the first place?
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch